This week, we take you back to the RV show one more time and show you one of our absolute favorite RVs, the Alliance Avenue All Access 25RL. Stick around and see just what we like about it. Now, upon entry, you will see the kitchen here, and there's Jim back there with the trifold sofa. And then off to the side here is your dining area and a nice hutch with plenty of storage. And this dining area has chairs. It also has bench seating with a storage ottoman. All right, now as we turn to the kitchen, we've got your pantry, oven, microwave, fridge, island with a sink. And then there is a 65-inch TV with a ton of storage below it there. That's super nice. And we're going to go up the stairs to the bathroom first. Now there is plenty of storage in this bathroom, decent sized sink there, good sized shower, and there is your toilet. Now we're going to go over here in the bedroom. On each side of the bed, you got plenty of storage. You got nice nightstands and storage above. And then over here we have a wardrobe with lots of hanging storage and loads of drawer space. Pretty nice if you ask me. So, what do you think of the Avenue All Access 25RL?